Hello and welcome to Dyness Europe, our brand new headquarters based in Capelle on the IJssel. My name is Alan Ridderhoff and I'm the National Sales Manager for Dyness. And today we're going to be showing you around our brand new facility. This is the head office for sales in the Benelux region, as well as the head office for logistics and operations throughout the whole of Europe. Come on with, take a look. So as you come into our main reception, you can see we've got a nice range of all of our wonderful products on display. Over here to my right, we have all of our high voltage solutions, and here just behind me, we have our low voltage solutions products on site. We can also take you into our lab where we can do testing as well as training. Come on with, take a look. So here in our testing lab, we have over 600 kilowatts of power on display, ranging from our CNI solutions all the way through to our high voltage and low voltage solutions on the far right. Another feature here that we have at our head offices in Capelle on the IJssel is that we have a full testing lab for your high voltage and low voltage range. There's a varied array of inverters, so we can test on your inverter of choice, and we can also set up any kind of battery orientation to make sure we're working through problems together, troubleshooting, as well as giving training on how to install all of our products. So right now I'm sitting at our head engineer's desk, where he's set up with a bunch of different DC chargers in order to test and recharge batteries. Right next door is a storeroom where we have extra spare parts in case we need to send it out on site for extra support for our clients. So our final public space here at the head office is, of course, our conference center. It's here that we have a lot of negotiations, we host some Teams meetings, as well as give some intricate trainings to teach. So that's it for our tour of the head office today. Just so you know, we're located at Lisbon number 4A in Capelle on the IJssel. If you email us or give us a call with 24 hours notice, we'd be happy to welcome you and host you for a tour or a training at a time that suits you. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks for taking the tour. My name's Alan Ridderhoff, and I'll see you next time.